Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am going to teach you how to format the date in a particular cell. But sometimes when you try to format the date using the format cells option, even though when you select a date column here there is not going to change because date format is in a text format. And Excel is not going to identify this as a date range. All we need to do is we need to go to the data tab, click on text to column. Make sure delimited is selected, click on next and click on next again. So in this particular dialog box click on date and you can select this MDY and click on finish. So basically this will convert the text format into the date format. And right click and select format cell dialog box and you can change based on your requirement. So let's say I just want this to be formatted in month and year format. So I am going to type as MMM and YYY, click on OK. Basically the date format has now been changed. Same we can change to other format. Go to format and select custom and type DDMMYY and click OK. Format has been changed. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye from MR. Thanks for watching.